MyForexFunds just announced a new VIP program with a 90% profit split, ability to withdraw at any time, and some other benefits. So we'll take a look at it on the PC. So let's see if you're eligible for this new VIP program. So this is the MyForexFunds website and this is the news page. As you can see, this is the VIP MyForexFunds program, new reward program for traders. And so what is it? Well, they are doing it to reward the traders that are consistently profitable, that have been profitable for at least, I believe, minimum of 3 months or even 5 months. We will see what happens. We will see what they say in the requirements. So it is basically tailored to the traders that have been really consistent and that have been doing consistent payouts. So this is an important part who qualifies to be a VIP member. So you have to be paid out at least 5 times. And you have to have traded with MyForexFunds for a minimum of 3 months. Now that is possible to achieve. I do know some traders that do fit in these parameters, but it is really rare. Most of the traders don't really get paid out more than 2 or 3 times until they lose their account. That's just the statistics. But I do know some traders, a small percentage of them, that do manage to get paid out more than 5 times and have been with MyForexFunds for a minimum of 3 months. So they do then state, if your trading style is considered high risk, you will not be eligible. So that is normal. They don't want traders over risking and doing some crazy high risk strategies. So, and of course you mustn't have violated any rules and you must have traded normally during all payout periods to be eligible. Now I do believe that this is just them saying do be careful how you trade and you need to have a consistent strategy without the high risk, and you mustn't try to manipulate the system or game the system, because they do know if you're like going long on one account, going short on the other account, and just doing some shady stuff. Definitely don't do it, because you will get caught. And then we move on to the final segment. What are the benefits? Well, the benefits are the 90% profit split, ability to withdraw at any time with no restrictions, which is definitely good. So the 90% profit is leading in the prop firm industry. I think it's one of the highest profit splits, which is definitely awesome. Ability to withdraw at any time is also a great perk, because if you need any cash, you can just withdraw it and it will be in your account within 10 hours. So they do offer some faster payout processes. They say that it's the semi-automated payout confirmation. I do believe that this just speeds up the payout process and you get your money so within 10 hours, which is also great because the payouts can sometimes take a long time. And with the VIP program, so they do try to speed things up for you. And then they state other surprise that may appear in your mailbox. Now, something that may be a surprise would be a partial withdrawal. So if you can take just a part of your profits and you don't have to take everything out of the account, that would be a great surprise. But currently nothing is written, so this can just be a complete clickbait and just be a marketing scheme that they just say other surprises to get you kind of fired up for this VIP program. So we can't really take it into account. We can just take the 90% profit split, ability to withdraw at any time, and the faster payouts. And then you just have the statement from the chairman and the CEO. That's nothing really important. And then you can make a request to become a VIP member if you just log in at this page. So very simple. So you need to have been paid out at least 5 times and you need to have traded for a minimum of 3 months with MyForexFunds to be eligible for the VIP program. This looks very good and very competitive. I mostly like the 90% profit split and the faster payout processes. Definitely worth it. If your account fits these requirements, definitely do apply to get into the VIP program. You will also get some sort of a badge if you're into that. And let's now move on to the final segment of the video. So that would be it for the video, guys. Looks like MyForexFunds is introducing some new concepts, trying to get ahead of FTMO. We know that these two prop firms are always battling it out, so one is always trying to be better than the other. This is a very interesting program and we will see if FTMO tries to copy it, and we will see what are those other benefits when they start implementing the new VIP MyForexFunds program. If you guys want to check out daily trade recaps and forecasts, check out my channel, do subscribe. I do post some other interesting educational content, definitely take a look. And I will see you guys in the next video.